Hi guys, we're here at Summit Hotel at Tacloban City because we're going to perform with Sex Bomb dancers together with a Power Impact dancer.
5, 6, 7, 8. Get out! Diligan mo!
Actually, we're already prepared for this for so many long days. But today, it's gonna be a crazy day, so we're gonna do it on stage.
So, how's your Vietnam trip?
Vietnam trip is so amazing because, you know, we already met a lot of people. Parang karne.
Aray ko!
What is it?
How's Sex Bomb concert for now?
Nakaka-overwhelm yung mga ganap lately. So, first around the world tour nila. Pero pa lang, provincial tour pa lang nila. So, ito yung first provincial tour nila. So, next week, sa Cagayan na naman kami. So, see you out there. This is our first vlog din also.
Hi guys, I'm Jules. I'm the champion of Power Impact Dancers.
Ano ba mga dapat abangan sa Sex Bomb dancers?
Siyempre, unang-una ako na yan. Kung wala ako, di mabubuo tong concert na to. Wala ang sex bomb kung wala ako. Yun.
Sige, ikaw na! Ikaw na lang! Ikaw na lang uli! Ikaw na magaling! Ikaw na tama! Ikaw na lang lahat!
Yun. Get!
Yeah, I'm Simon Australia from Antipolo City, Rippon. So,
Bakit kanila dapat abangan sa Sex Bomb concert?
syempre, hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ako yung aabangan nila eh. Hindi naman ako artista eh.
Basta nga daw eh.
Hindi ako artista.
Pero masabi mo yung mga ibang fans ng Sex Bomb, ikaw yung inaabangan.
Pauso!
Oh!
Pauso to! Pauso!
What's your
Hello,
name?
Andrea Villanza is the original. We look good there. Actually, I'm very excited kasi galing kaming Vietnam and we are the champion. Woo,
Bumagsak yung energy.
Actually, sabi nga nila, this is the first provincial concert ng Sex Bomb. So, from Vietnam kaming PID and then late kami nag-rehearse. So, abangan nyo yan. Actually, sa airport kami nag-rehearse ng PID.
Kukulaps yung gimbal.
Please welcome, Sai Joshua!
Ay, ganda! Ang ganda!
Hi! Hindi. Hi, I'm Sai from Power Impact Dancer. First things first. Sa dami sa mundo. Ano?
Ay, hindi. Sabi ni bakit daw ikaw?
Sa dami. Kasi marunong ako magpitik with soft moves. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, dalawa yon.
Ang galing mo, ang galing! Ang galing!
We're going to our concert.
It's time to go to the venue, okay? So, samahan nyo lang.
Saan yung bus na yun? May bus number eh. Ito. May bus. Come on. Pupunta tayo sa venue na pagdadausan natin ng concert.
So you're vlogging?
Yes, po.
Are you vlogging? So here it's not vlogging, it's
So,
vlogging. We're going to the venue. We're here in Tacloban. We're doing the Tacloban Get Out show. Today is March 14, if I'm not mistaken. So we're doing this vlog in English, okay?
And
Are you up for this challenge, guys?
my hobbies is...
So what can you say about Tacloban, Sunshine?
Do you mean what?
what can I say about Tacloban? Oh my God, it's a beautiful, beautiful country. English, di ba? Oh, okay. It's a beautiful, beautiful. Wow! Beautiful! Province.
So, how do you feel about Tacloban people?
They're welcoming us.
Are you excited to do the Get Out show here?
No, because I have a back pain right now. My back is so.
So ouchie.
Ouchie, ouchie.
Timia, how's your day?
So my day starts with a bang.
My day starts with a coffee.
Like literally bang. As in the other room, they are so noisy. They're always banging.
Ano, heartbreak?
Hindi ka nagpulagat yun siya. Hindi ka nagpulagat.
Wala naman ako sa
Doon lang po sa app ng Instagram. Ganun din po. Kung ano yung nasa
Doon yung sinabi ko. Oo, pinasarado namin yung mula nung papasok. Video call. Talagang yun ang trabaho namin ng mga kapasok. Tayo pa. Ayos. Yung mga tenants, maglalakot na lang sila. Mapapampasahan.
Because it's for expensive.
Kasi nano natin yung security.
Tagalog yun.
So marami kasi.
No, even Tagalog.
But it's
No
don't speak.
Philippine language. Oh. Dapat sinabi ka niya.
Isa siya.
Let's go! Let's go!
Wala siya naka-point 5.
Pumatay.
We're very own choreographer in the town.
Meron jazz.
The Cuts.
With the bench.
Kaya tika.
As you can see, we have food there, over there, and everywhere.
Fun fact. This place was, ito yung naging tuluyan nila ng salanta sila ng bagyong Yolanda. So, dito sila nagstay lahat ng mga taga-Tacloban. So, this place is like a historical. Wow.
So hi, we're done with rehearsing the opening prod. And now, the Sex Bomb girls are rehearsing their Chanel prod. Like this. Sobrang smooth.
Open up po kayo ng audiatisan para hiwalay. Yan. Okay, bring the beat back. 5, 6. So, hihintayin nyo talaga siya. So, kunyari, bring the beat back. 5, 7, and bring the beat back. Boom! Sige. Kayo na lang yan. Sex bomb na lang po. 5, 6. Okay na ako dito. From the top tayo with music. Hindi naman kinalaman. Sa Mashi-Mashi, dulo po talaga. Yan. Ganyan kalaki po yung blocking natin sa size na cheese. This is your team. Maligaw po sa atin sa perfect.
Okay po, Direk.
And we are done. Now we're ready to Penkay. Tignan mo yung transition. 1, 2, 3.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, tonight we're gonna start
Nag-take mo ngay 0.5.
Before tayo sumalang sa stage, tayo ay magpakabusog, okay?
Oo nga eh. Gusto ko nga rin eh. Sarap na lumpia.
Bakit tumidilim? May tuling. Kulay ba? Siya tumitingin sa timur.
Alam mo ya, ang daming may mali pero ako nasisisi.
Aray mo!
Alam ko sa'yo. May gusto ko pa rin.
Stay with me.